Like many other programming languages, JavaScript also support variables which can be thought of as placeholders in which you can store value, and then you can use those variables at a later point in your program. So let me give you a small example of a variable. So I can have a variable with the name of A, and if I just press enter, that is the formal declaration of a variable A. I'm just highlighting the fact that I would like to have a variable A, and then I can do something which is known as initialization, and that simply means that I want to initialize this variable with a value of 10. Now if I inspect this variable A, what do we hold inside the variable A? I can simply type A and press enter, and I can see that it has a value of 10. I can overwrite this variable with another value of 20, and when I inspect it again, I can see that it has a value of 20. Now variable cannot just hold numbers, they can hold values of other data types, and I can give you an example of that. So I can have another variable with the name of B, and I can give it a value of type string, and I'll give it a value of the string test. Now you can see this is slightly different than the first example. I'm declaring the variable B and initializing it at the same time, and you could have done that with the first example as well. I just wanted to show you that you can have the declaration and the initialization as two steps, but you can also have them in one go. So if I inspect the value of B, yeah, you can see that B has a value of test. So that was just a brief introduction to variables, and I've just touched on a point that there are different data types. You can have values of different data types in JavaScript. So I'll cover the different data types in the next video.